The Sound of Silence by Simon and Garfunkel, which has been recently covered by heavy metal band Disturbed. We will be using a lot of our suspended second chords into this song, and we will be breaking them up in an arpeggio-like fashion in the song. So let's get started. We're going to be breaking apart an F-sharp suspended second chord into eighth notes. So there's a pattern to this that we're going to be using across the chords throughout this song. So the pattern is a 1-5-2-5 pattern with our right hand fingering. So I will play that slowly and then a moderate tempo and then at full speed. And our left hand will be on F sharp in the bass. So we had an F sharp suspended second in there, down to an E suspended second, back to our F sharp suspended second. So here is that now at a moderate speed. And here it is in real time. Now let's tackle the pre-chorus. We're going to be starting on a D major first inversion with D in the bass, and we're going to be playing quarter notes with the chords now. Here it is slowly. To A second inversion. Back to D. A. Now we have a one measure of 2-4 on the A, so 2 beats only. Jump back to D. A. Bring the thumb up to F sharp for an F sharp minor. Another single measure now of 2-4, so 2 beats on the F sharp minor, and finish on E. Here is the pre-chorus now in full time. You can play the pre-chorus an octave lower to give it a little bit of a darker tone. And that's The Sound of Silence by Simon and Garfunkel.